Designed to withstand the demands of adventure travel, the Freefly16 is a durable, ultralight day pack that's perfect for travel and everyday adventures in any weather. It's built from siliconized 30D Cordura with sealed seams, while water-resistant zipper pockets are easy and fast to get in and out of. Keep your water bottle snug with tall side pockets that feature cinch straps with side release buckles. Breathable shoulder straps evenly distribute weight and resist pinching when loaded. Non-absorbent air mesh won't soak up water in wet conditions. The Freefly16 comes with a detachable storage bag. When it's not in use, fold it in thirds and roll it up. Easily step into its storage bag and then roll the top down to compress and save space. Incredibly light and seriously equipped, Matador's Freefly16 is ready for whatever's ahead.